American Standard. The flush is very long. There we go. Here's the restrooms here in SM Mall. Okay, no one is here. Oops. Oops.
Pull
Oops.
the door.
Pull. Pull. Okay, thank you. There. Okay. There's the American Standard here. There's another one here. So wash down American Standard toilet. Other one does not flush. Here's this one here doesn't have a lid. American Standard. Flush doesn't work.